Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to use a free to use tool, Vocaroo, to leave audio feedback for students on Google Classroom. So what I've done here is I have opened up my Google Classroom exercise that a student has submitted, and I am using a split screen here on Chrome for Vocaroo. And rather than typing in extensive private comments, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on that connection and engagement with my sample student, and I'm going to do so by selecting to record my feedback here. So to do, simply click on the record function. Hi Desmond, great job here, and thank you for submitting this first and foremost on time. I would like you to look through the marks that I have actually given you at the bottom, and it is really important that you have an educated guess if you really aren't sure, but try to translate and try to preempt what is going on. So we'll simply stop. If you're happy with it, you can press play first to hear. Hi Desmond, great job here, and thank you for submitting this first and foremost. Okay, happy with that. I'm going to now select save and share. And all I'm doing here is either highlighting and copying here or using the copy function. Copy link to clipboard, and I am posting that here for the student to hear. All the student needs to do whenever they pick this up on their end, this will be a hyperlink. How this looks from the student perspective, you can't actually see here that it's a hyperlink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just jump into another browser here where I've loaded this in the background. This is the piece of work that the student had uploaded, and here is my Vocaroo audio feedback for the students today. Click on this as a hyperlink and press play. Hi Desmond, great job here, and thank you for submitting this first and foremost on time. I would like you to look through. So as you can see, very straightforward and simple way to make that connection and to provide you with the opportunity to make comprehensive audio feedback available for your students. Good luck.